Bad man out and stunting. Kyle them thick like dumpling. Girl with big body jumping. Action ready for the thumping. Fresh like Portland, eh? Juvie just cast at the boatland, eh? Just calculate the total. Now the money make me get antisocial. Man straight like my pants them, oh lord.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this soft glam glitter cut crease look. It was very simple, and so if you want to learn how I did that, just continue watching. So I'm starting off with my eyebrows already done, and then I'm just going to go in with my NYX eyeshadow base, and it is in a white color so that my pigments are able to show up easily. Then I'm just going to continue to blend it in until it is evenly distributed on my eyelids.
Purchase your tracks today.
Next, I'm going to go in with my Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to use the shade Volatile. Okay guys, so I am very horrible at describing stuff, so you're just gonna have to watch what I do, and I'm just gonna talk about the products that I use.
Shots on the beat.
So once I finish applying that in, I'm just going to go back into the same palette. I'm going to take this burnt red color, and it's called Passion. I'm going to apply that right above the volatile color, just to have an even transition. Once that is done and all blended in, I'm going to go back in the NYX eyeshadow base, and I'm going to just use that to cut my crease.
Shots on the beat.
Purchase your tracks today.
All the products I use are going to be listed in the description box below. So after, I'm going to go into this Vibes palette, and I'm going to use the color Leg Warmers, and it's just like a neon orange shade. I'm just going to pack that into the first half of my cut crease. Now I'm going into my Warrior 3 palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to use the color Jarawa, if that's how you say it, and it's just a darker orange, and I'm going to pack that into the end half of my cut crease, just so it fades from like light orange to dark orange.
Purchase your tracks today.
So to save time, I went off camera and I put on my liners. I used first a black eyeliner, and then over top of that I went in with my white eyeliner. Okay, so somehow the camera was not recording while I was putting on the glitter, but basically these are the colors that I used, and for the glue I used Lash Glue and it's by Kiss. For my foundation, I'm going in with the shade Kano by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to evenly distribute it on my face only because it's very full coverage. Then I'm going to spray my brush with the e.l.f. setting spray just so everything is easier to blend and work with. Now that my foundation is all blended in, I'm just going to highlight with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige, and I'm just going to put that on my T-zone. So I'm going to go in with this little palette that I got from my local beauty supply store. I don't know what it's called, but it was darker than me, so I'm just going to use it to contour. I'm going to add it to underneath my cheekbones and the bridge of my nose, the sides of my nose, and my forehead.
Purchase your tracks today.
So after letting my concealer sit for a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and take my brush and I'm going to spray it again with my e.l.f. setting spray. And I'm just going to start by blending the outside of it before moving on to the inside of it. So after blending in my highlight and my contour, I'm going to be using this setting powder that I also got from the beauty supply. And I'm just going to put it everywhere that I highlighted. And I don't let it sit for too long before I start blending it out. So basically I pat it in and then I wipe it off like at the same time.
Purchase your tracks today.
For my blush, I'm going to be going back into the Warrior 3 palette. I'm going to be using this red shade called Kahina. To highlight my face, I'm going to go in with my Oh Snap palette by Violet Voss, I think. And I'm going to be using this shimmery gold color. And I'm going to apply that to my nose, underneath my brows, and my cheekbones. To make my eyes look a little bigger and make myself look a little more awake, I'm going to use this white eyeliner and I'm going to apply that onto my waterline on my bottom lid. Going back inside the same palette, I'm going to be using this cream color and I'm going to apply that to the inner parts of my eyes. To enhance my look a little more, I'm going to go in with this burnt orange color and I'm going to apply that over top of the cream shade I just added.
Purchase your tracks today.
just grab my black mascara and I'm going to apply that to my bottom lashes. So finally, I am doing my lips, and I'm using this dark brown liner. I'm going to use that to line my lips. Then I'm going to go in with my NYX Butter Gloss, and this is the shade Fortune Cookie. And this was my first time using any NYX lip gloss. And this is honestly now like my favorite. I love it so much. And if you're like dark skin or darker than me or lighter than me, this would be the perfect shade for you if you're looking for a nude gloss.
Purchase your tracks today.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share it as well, please. And yeah, if you have any more makeup ideas or video ideas that you guys want me to do, please leave them down below and I will definitely make them because I have a lot of time on my hands. And yeah, I know I uploaded my Q&A a long time ago, but I've been going through some stuff, and so yeah, this video came a long time after that, but I'm trying to upload every single Wednesday from now on, like starting from the day this video is posted. So be on the lookout, turn on your post notifications, and subscribe, and make sure you follow my Instagram, add me on Snapchat, and yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.